morning. So the time right now is 9:15ish a.m. and no, I don't wake up this early every single day, but my online classes have started and at the same time we have like a few things to do today. So I thought, why not wake up a little early? Actually, to be honest, I haven't slept the entire night, but yeah, that is okay. We'll go about today and I'll just see if I can nap for some time anywhere in between. But yeah, let's get on with today's. Welcome to my washroom for no reason. Yeah, hi. I hope you can see me better. And yeah, welcome to my washroom. This is my washroom wall. I know I'm acting insane. That's because I haven't had proper sleep, and I know my voice is echoing because I'm in the washroom. Okay, if I behave like a little drunk today, that's because I'm deprived of my sleep and nothing else. I'm just going to wash my face. Always, always, always wash your hands before washing your face because that reduces all the problems literally. I'm going to be using my favorite Bath and Body Works Fresh Sparkling Slow Hand Wash. And first going to be washing my hands. So, yes. I'm going to be using my Innisfree J2 Organic Pore Cleansing Foam. So, hi guys, gonna be directly heading into the garden. We have a video to film for tomorrow, so I'm just going to be writing down what all I'm gonna be doing. And in case you're wondering where is Louis, so my mom, my dad, and Louis, everyone went to a relative's house. They started at around 8:30ish because even those people have a dog at their place, so they wanted to see Louis, so they went. Entire day it's us, so let's just go and get about the day. But first I'm going to be applying a moisturizer. I really cannot head out without a moisturizer. Chalo, let's go. My book, my pen. Okay, let's go. Can you see hens there? That's a cock. But yeah, there are hens babies which are born like 2 months ago. So yeah, now let's go meet rabbits first and see there are more hens there. Hi to all these cute little bunnies over there. This is closed because it's too cold, and at night they close it completely. And yeah, these are the rabbits. Hi, how cute. He looks like Louis. Look at how perfect the weather is, like literally. Oh my god. You can see a lot of sparrows here. Hi guys, so the time right now is 10:15 a.m. and I've just completed writing my ideas. So it's time for me to head back home, and I have to wash my hair and be ready by 11 a.m. because my classes start at 11 a.m. and I can't do anything after that. And yeah, I have to wash my hair and be ready by then. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's go. I almost forgot before that I have to actually soak few chana for dinner. So I'm just going to be soaking that so that I can, have it at night. I'm just going to be soaking like a handful of them, if you can see. Let's wash it. So I just added in a lot of water and I'm just going to be closing it. Hi guys, so I don't know how to put it. Okay, the time right now is 11:10 a.m. and my online class has already started, so I have to quickly open my lappy. So for my hair, I'm just going to leave it like that. It's gonna dry naturally, and for my face, I've applied a little moisturizer and nothing else. So yeah, bye bye bye. So guys, online classes have started and the time right now is 11:15ish. So yeah, the classes will go on until 1:30. So Yeah, I'll catch you for lunch then. Bye bye. Hey guys, so the time right now is 1:30 p.m. and I'm having my lunch. This is my lunch. I'm having some poha and I'm watching this Netflix series called Get Organized. Oh my god, it's so good, and ignore all the mess, please. And that's me. If you can see, hi. Hi guys, so the time right now is 5 p.m. and I just woke up. My class actually got over at 4 o'clock and I took a nap for an hour. So it's time for me to get ready for my video. So I was planning on doing like a very natural makeup look with no eyeshadow, no eyeliner, like very simple makeup look. And coming to my hair, I'm actually considering not straightening it. I'll just straighten this part, like the front part, and other than that, everything is like, I feel it's nice only. Let's see. Guys, this is like my final look. And coming to hair, I'm just going to part this to the side and just straighten the front part so that it looks a little messier. God guys, look how well the makeup is shining because of the sunlight. Oh my god, I wish my hair was like more organized, but wow, I'm actually pretty much liking the way this makeup has turned out. Or I don't know if it's because of the light. Guys, it's already 6 p.m. I don't even know what to think right now. My exam timetable is out. My exams are starting in October first week, and oh my god, like I don't even know what to think at this point, and everything is getting so delayed. This is the hairspray I'm going to be using. This is the Oasis. I don't even want to make an attempt to pronounce the name over here. So that's okay. So yeah, I'm doing this one up here, and I'll just leave some hair and pin it up here. So it's not bad. Just going to be spraying this one so that I don't have any hair coming out. So I'm ready. So I'm all ready mostly. There are a few last minute touches and I have to moisturize my hands. So I'm using the Gingham by Bath and Body Works body moisturizer. So I'm going to be taking like wow. So I'm going to be touching up by my nails as well. So this is the nail polish I'm using. I actually got it from Miniso. Reapplying on my nails so that they look good. And wow, I moisturized my hands and I stamped on the moisturizer. I'm also done painting my nails, so now let's just go to the room and clean it up a little bit because I have just created a big mess. This is how messy my bed looks like, so I have to clear it up because this is here is where I'm gonna sit. So I'll just clean it up quickly. So I've like turned on the AC because so that the room will be a little cool while I'm filming. And this is like my setup. There's no setup. I'm not really sure about how that's looking, but or else the bed is like too plain because there are no cushions or anything. And I found something on the bed. Okay. So yeah, this is how the setup looks like. Nothing fancy, no lights or anything. So yeah, I'm here. So this is what I need to adjust with, and that is okay. Coming to lighting and everything, just this one ring light and nothing else. So I'll be sitting right here so that the light is nice and neat. Other than that, there's no tube light or anything like that, only this one ring light, and yeah, no other equipment, just this ring light and my phone. This is how I look. From that time you're not able to see my face properly, so yeah, this is how it looks like. I kept it pretty natural, just the blush and a nice face. And my hair, I'm not really sure about it, but that is okay right now. At this point, that is okay. So yeah, this is like the setup. This is the ring light, and yeah, that is it. Nothing, not a lot. So guys, I'm just done filming the video. So there are people who have to come check up that AC because all weird sounds are coming from there. So yeah, they'll do that, and we'll go down. And oh shit, I actually forgot to take a picture for thumbnail, so I'll just do that, and then we'll go down and make some cold coffee, which I love. Did you miss me? Did you miss me, baby? Guys, you need to ignore two things: the way I'm looking and the cooker sound behind me. Kept few water to get a little warm, and then to this I'm going to be adding 2 full spoons, like 2 full spoons of coffee powder. I'm going to be adding that into the mason jar. 2 spoons. Some honey. There's no particular measurement, roughly around, I can say 2 teaspoons. My satisfaction, I'm just going to mix the coffee powder and the honey mixture properly. Has some nice caramel kind of consistency, if you can see. It was supposed to be lukewarm, but it became super hot. Oh my god. I'm just going to be adding this into this. You can see, and I'm just going to mix everything up. These are my ice cubes, and I'm just going to be adding this into it. And to this, I'm going to be adding raw milk. Yeah, I'm just going to fill it up. And yeah, this is my cold coffee ready. I think it's not as cool because the water was super hot. Pav bhaji. I think that's vada pav. That's pav bhaji. There's cutlet and there's something in here too. Hi, Louie. Guys, our exams are starting from October, guys. I don't even know what to do with my life anymore. That is troubling me, and at the same time I'm not making an effort to study. Okay, I'll go into the garden, spend some time with myself. It's raining and I'm having my cold coffee. Having some bel puri. This is not my dinner, but just a little bel puri because it does not have a lot of oils or anything. So yeah, just a little. Hey guys, so the time right now is around 9:30. So we all were watching this movie. So today is actually a filming day. So on every filming day, I make sure to apply a face mask or anything because I apply a lot of makeup. Today I haven't really applied that much makeup, but I'm going to be following my ritual. So I'll go wash my face, and then I'm going to be using this super volcanic pore clay mask from Innisfree. So this is what happens when I don't use a lip scrub. The product doesn't go. I washed it like twice, but I don't really want to force it because lips are like a sensitive part. And I'm right now I'm taking this thing, this one. This is actually a vitamin syrup. This is how it looks like. You need to open it and just take a shot. It's actually yummy. I'm the person who likes syrups. When I was a kid, I wanted to get fever or cold or cough because I can have the syrups because I love them so much. I actually forgot a lot of things. I packed in a hurry, but I have this, so I'm gonna try and apply it using my hand. I never applied this using my hand actually, and I have nails, so I don't even know how this is gonna work. Boom. Oh my god, I look exactly like a ghost. So yeah, I'm gonna let it dry for around 20 minutes and then I'm going to take a shower. And yeah, let's go. So I'm making this really nice milk drink, which I'm drinking at night actually. So I'm actually grinding few peppers, cardamom, cinnamon. So I'm boiling half liter of milk, and to this I'm going to be adding this grinded mixture, which is like roughly grinded. Like it need not be grinded very purely because anyways we are gonna drain the remaining thing. So we are gonna let the milk boil along with all these and wait. And I'm also going to be adding some turmeric in this, just a little bit, not a lot. This thing helps you to sleep so well and it tastes yum, like literally. Hi guys, so I took a shower and I was talking to my friend until now. The time right now is 12:40 and I'm actually almost full, but my mom is gonna scold me. So let's just go and make some dinner slash midnight snack. So let's go prepare. It's like a super healthy option. Hi guys, welcome to Shraddha's Dhaba. It's 1 a.m. and yeah, I've got all these vegetables. I have onion, I have carrot, I have cucumber and some tomato, and of course I have some chickpea which we soaked in the morning and actually I boiled it. So this is boiled chickpea. I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna be adding all of these into it just to make it a little healthier. Then I'm going to be just giving this like a really good mix. And to this I'm gonna be adding this dressing. This is peri peri hummus and this is by Wingreens. So this is how it looks like. I know you might be thinking why I'm adding hummus in chickpea, but guys, it tastes so good, like I can't even tell you. And this is how it looks like from inside. So I'm gonna be adding this much, like just this much for the entire mixture, maybe this much more. And yeah, I'm just going to be giving it all a very good mix. It is actually a super nice dressing, guys. Not only with this, only if you make like a salad, like not with chickpeas and all, like just cucumber, carrot or whatever, it's just going to make your salad look super good. Not look, taste, I mean it's gonna taste super. You know what, it's been like more than 24 hours since I've slept. I took a little nap, and that much peri peri is not enough for me, so I'm adding my own peri peri masala. This is something that I got from a local store. So I'm just going to be using the back side of the spoon and just going to be adding this in it. But it has such a good taste, guys. It has such a good taste. So yeah, I'm going to be mixing that too. This is how my chickpea salad looks like. It tastes yummy and it's also super healthy. So yeah, let's go and have some salad and watch some Netflix. Let's go. By the way, guys, this particular candle, this is the mahogany balsam. This candle from Bath and Body Works is like so good. I'm actually lighting this up from past 3 days in that room, but today I'm sleeping in the home theater, so it's super risky to burn it here. But yeah, just wanted to put it there. It's such a good candle. And also, if you're looking for like a budget friendly option, you can go for Akam. This is also mahogany, if I'm not wrong. This is what, there's no flavor written on it. On the black one, it smells so good that if you're looking for like a more budget friendly 3-wick candle option, go for Akam. But you want to splurge on like a really nice candle of Bath and Body Works, you can go for this one. This one retails for 2,299 rupees, whereas this one retails for like only 900 rupees. So yeah, if you're looking for like a budget friendly option, you can go for this one. They both are mahogany, if I'm not wrong, actually. So yeah, let's have dinner. Having my salad and watching Big Bang Theory. I love this show so much and I think I like it a little more than Friends. So yeah, let's enjoy the meal. And that is all for today's video, guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, because that would mean the absolute world to me. And do let me know down in the comment section below if you want me to do more such videos, or I'm actually planning to do like weekly vlogs and upload it on every Monday. Yeah, I have like a super huge forehead and I'm very conscious about it. So yeah, anyways, I really hope you guys like it. And look, my top says fries before, guys. So true. So yeah, bye guys.